Yeah.
Okay, you guys are videoing now.
Okay, cool.
Hi.
Yeah, there's just kids.
Hi guys.
Hi.
So wait, hold on.
There's a competition today.
Yeah, they already know that. Well, if they watched our other vlog.
Yeah.
Wait, will you turn it back to where you like flipped it over?
Oh, you can't flip it over when you record.
Okay, so
Come on here.
yeah. So,
There's a fan.
what do you think we shall do today? Do random things like our other vlog last night. Should we do that?
Yeah.
Because we have like no clue what we're doing. We just now made another vlog, well, like a skit, because we haven't edited it yet. So it's a skit.
And we already ate breakfast.
Yeah, you can see how light it is. Can you see that? And we have a very crazy. Ow! I pinched my finger. So if you can you guys like
Yeah, our
see
view
down
isn't
there?
really high, but
It's like cool. And look, if you guys can see the pond, it's so cool. You might,
Yeah, there's crocodiles in it.
just can't.
I think it's like a creek or something. I don't
It's
know.
not a creek, because I have a creek at my house, and that's...
That does not look like a creek, and plus it's not even at a house.
Yeah, the creek that we used to go to, it used to be an ocean.
An ocean.
Yeah, there were like, it used to be like an ocean there, and then...
It feels good if you're like right here. It feels like if first you're right here, it'll be really cold. Then like if you stand like right here, it's like hot.
Yeah, go check out McKenna does stuff, and
Yeah.
this other YouTube channel.
Yeah, McKenna is one of our cheer friends. And show them your uniform. Here's that. Clovis Power Elite. Okay, I bet you're cold now. Are you?
Yeah, I'm kind of cold because of the belly.
Yeah, I bet she is really cold now. Are you hot now? Now that you have that.
No, I see some people are from cheerleading.
Oh yeah. I don't think that's here though. That's
Yeah,
way
that's
over
over here. That's what way far.
Yeah, it's way far away.
Let's sit on here and see if we can. No.
I will.
Yeah.
I'm smaller than you,
And
You're
this is like
10?
cool on me. Yeah.
and I'm 6. She's 4 years older than me. You probably might break it, and you might not. I bet you won't.
Yeah. Okay. Now we're gonna go over here.
Oh, what? What?
We slept on this bed tonight.
Me, no banana. We wanted the parents to sleep over here because we wanted the hot area.
Oh my gosh, the flyaway.
It was
Because
so
our
hot.
pictures.
Hey guys, let's do this.
Okay. Oh yeah, random thing. Okay.
Okay,
I wish you could flip this over.
Okay.
Pick
a color. Any color you want.
Yellow.
YELLW.
Pick a number.
3.
1, 2, 3. Pick another number.
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Groundhogs? Okay, guys. Groundhogs can weigh up to 15 pounds.
You made
They-
that.
I did.
From where?
Oh, it's upside down.
But no, wait.
Oh yeah,
it will.
it's this way, guys.
It's
That one.
If you, yeah, we'll be able to see it.
Okay.
Ready?
So, okay, I'm gonna do. Pick any color you want. Blue. 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 Pick a number. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Whoa.
5, 6, 7. Pick another number.
7.
No, you have to pick a different number.
Oh, 8.
You have to pick not 8 or 7 because there's like no 8. There's no 8.
1.
1. Oh, that was such easiness. Okay. Groundhogs live underground in a hole called a burrow.
A burrow.
A burrow. I always get that
It's
mixed
not a
up.
borrow.
I always get that
They don't
mixed
have
up.
burrows.
A burrow. Okay.
Like I borrowed your tool.
I borrowed.
I borrowed. I borrowed.
Burrowed.
She said burrowed. So
Burrowed.
I
Who
borrowed
wants to do
your
it again?
tools.
Pick a color. Pick
I
a color.
borrowed.
Pick any color.
A Nova color.
A Nova color.
Okay. Do indigo.
Indigo.
Pick a number.
6. No, 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Now 3.
1, 2, 3.
It's fine. It's fine.
Let's see. Groundhogs are roots and cousins to squirrels.
What?
I would say chipmunks. No.
Groundhogs
yeah, I would say
are
chipmunks.
rodents and cousins to squirrels.
I think groundhogs sort of look like
Rodents.
chickens.
Oh, wait.
Oh yeah.
Who wants to do it?
Again, I will.
Okay, pick a color.
Yeah, we're just showing you.
Any color. Pink, blue, purple, pink. P-I-N-K. Number.
How old are you? 6? Okay, then you go 6.
Okay, fine,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another number? You make the same
3.
number if you want. Oh, we already did 3. We just did that. So we don't want to read
No.
those.
We did
Yeah,
6. I said 6.
I know, but she said 3, so we'll have the same answer again. So pick another one. 2. 1, 2.
That was easy, I think.
Okay. How
Okay.
much teeth have you lost?
Farmers don't like groundhogs.
Three.
They eat their coops.
Corpse.
Let me count how much I've lost.
They eat
The word corpse.
what? I'm about to Oh my gosh.
Okay, guys, comment
I
down
lost
below
7.
what color you want
7.
and number
I've lost
and the
17.
other number, and then
17.
we'll give you that.
You need
Pull out and show you. We'll tell you.
Cool,
what it-
and subscribe, and
And-
look at Columbus Party, Keeping Up with the Stars, and yeah.
Columbus
bye.
Power Elite 2.
No, we're not yet.
The Still talk.
Okay, wait.
We had a
Mom's gonna
competition.
come and get you probably really
Soon, when Kai's hair is
Yeah.
Or maybe whenever Kai is maybe whenever Kai's done and then like maybe 10 minutes after that.
And comment down below if somebody wants this to keep.
Yeah, it's made out of a gold paper.
Yeah.
Even though you can't see it. But if you turn off this light, you can see it, but you can't really see it in the dark. So,
Yeah, you still can't see it.
Yeah.
But if it's in the light, you can
dark.
sort of tell that it's silver.
It's really gold. It's silver.
Yeah, and it's made out of real gold.
Yeah, and there's
whoa!
and there's a magic thing in this. Whoever gets it, it's $1. sisters because there's like a magic thing in this, and like it's a color. So it's
Here, if you
one.
touch inside of there.
Yeah, you can keep it like forever. Like there's 20.
Yeah, so the first to like this video and subscribe
Gets this. So I would
yeah.
go ahead and subscribe.
Yeah,
Because I would really want
There's
that.
like 20 of the. There's like 20 in here.
$20. So you can try.
and that's a lot for a kid.
Yeah, I have $21.
40 in here too. So
I have $21.
whoever wants it.
Whoa.
I keep on dropping it.
Did
My
it crack?
sister has 40 since, well, she's older. I have like 100.
Wait. Which is the older twin?
Me.
Oh.
Let's look at the light. It's so interesting. Cool. And yeah, that's the end of the video.
Oh, guys, Clea does not like to talk, but she's talking so loud and so.
Okay, bye.
Okay, guys, don't remember to like,
and hit the
subscribe,
Mm.
and
hit the
bell, and turn on your notification